They're not afraid.
You never let them know where the food is. It's never going to be yours, seagulls. Never. She's in trouble. She's all on her own. She's outnumbered.
There's one over here too. There's one man coming from the back. Look out for those New England seagulls. I love this. This is like the drama I needed.
Seagulls
but it's not
child.
Mine. I know, like, why don't you pick up the plate? Oh, she's not paying attention. Look, Mom, she's doing the walk away. No, go back.
Turn your back on it.
This is so perfect.
It's called the delusion
Where's
effect.
Mom? Where's Mom? The delusion effect.
Well, it's the same thing as schooling behavior, like when fish school.
Oh, yes.
And so it's called the delusion effect, where
I didn't realize. Okay.
like a fish or a predator is going after another fish, and another fish will realize that and get closer, and then the predator realizes that was closer and tries to get after that one. It's just...
Yeah, they're working her. Like, like a bait ball.
They work in schools to protect each other.
Uh-oh, they're coming up. Who's gonna help her? Where are her fish?
He's back. He's back.
No.
It's the one. I know.
I'm
He
horrified.
can see the Duncan's bag
Stop
right
it.
here.
Stop it. No. No. Sorry. I wanted to know.
It saw the bag.
We just got a delivery. He saw it through the window. And he just looked at me. He goes, "Other people."
Did he look at you like him? He's back. Oh no.
No.
Sources to support your learning. Our social media and the Geek Web website
You just taunted me, or?
I'm not taunting you. He's here, looking at our
Lordy,
Dunkin' Donuts.
it's you again. Do you hear my voice? Why do you keep coming back?
Bye.